cannot find my wallet. It's not in my purse. What does it look like? It has a blue and white pattern. Look, there it is. Where? Near the sunglasses. Ah, that's mine. Thank you. Hi students, how are you today? I hope all of you are in the good conditions. Selamat datang dalam pembelajaran kali ini bersama saya, Miss Desi. Coba ingat-ingat, apa ya yang tadi dilakukan oleh ibu tersebut? Dompetnya hilang. Waduh, gawat ya. Kemudian, ibu tadi mencoba menanyakan kepada orang yang ada di sekitarnya sambil menyebutkan ciri-ciri dompetnya yang hilang. She said, "My wallet has a blue and white pattern." Seperti ini. Nah, kali ini kita akan belajar mengenai cara mendeskripsikan clothing and accessories secara detail, yaitu dalam pembahasan Unit 3 Lesson 3, It's White with Orange Stripes. So, at the end of this lesson, you are required to know how to give detailed descriptions of clothing and accessories with preposition with and the use of look like. That's why, make sure you stay until the end of this session. Nah, untuk lebih lanjutnya lagi, kita dengarkan percakapan berikut ini dulu yuk. Check it out. What do your boots look like? They have a blue and a white pattern. Are these them? No, they are not mine. Nah, students, coba perhatikan. Tadi dalam percakapan sebelumnya ada kalimat seperti ini. What do your boots look like? Look like digunakan untuk menanyakan sesuatu secara detail. Lalu dijawab dengan they have a blue and white pattern. Artinya, dia sedang mendeskripsikan secara detail tentang boots yang dia punya. Tahukah kamu bagaimana cara mendeskripsikan clothing and accessories secara detail dalam bahasa Inggris? Wow, mudah sekali bukan? Yang pertama, you should know the names of different clothes in English, such as sweater, jacket, coat, shirt, belt, and so on. There are so many clothes. And the second one, you need to know the patterns of your clothes or accessories, atau pola yang ada dari pakaian kamu. This is some patterns of some clothes. Ada dots. Dots itu kalau pola dari pakaian atau aksesoris kamu, seperti bulat-bulat yang kayak ada di gambar ini. Ada pattern. Pattern means ada pola di permukaan pakaian. Polanya bisa batik atau ada yang pita-pita and so on. You can mention it as a pattern. And then ada types-nya itu stripes. Stripes itu jika ada garis vertikal maupun horizontal seperti yang ada pada gambar ini. Ada buttons. Buttons itu kancing. Kalau dia misal clothes kamu punya kancing-kancing, berarti itu disebut dengan buttons. And then zipper. Zipper itu resleting ya, biasa disebut dengan resleting. Resleting itu atau zipper biasanya ada pada jaket ya, yang lebih sering jaket, just like this picture. Now look at this one. What about this? What is the hat look like? Good job. It has a red, white, and black pattern. Now look at another picture. Where are they? They are at the beach. What does the umbrella look like? Please look at the umbrella. What does the umbrella look like? Good job! It has blue, orange, yellow, and green stripes. Kita harus bilang stripes karena dia bentuknya horizontal, garis-garis. What color are these shorts? Perhatikan shorts yang ditunjukkan oleh gadis kecil ini. What color are these shorts? Excellent, they are yellow with green pocket. What are they going to do? I think they are going to go swimming. Am I right? Here comes another picture for you. Look at the picture and think the answer. What does this shirt look like? Excellent, it's white with black stripes. What does this scarf look like? It is green with dots. What is it? It is a sweater. What does it look like? It's blue with gray and white stripes. Coba lihat baju yang Miss pakai. Kira-kira, what does my shirt look like? It is red. Okay, that's right. With the black buttons. It is red with the black buttons. Or you can say it is a red plaid shirt with the black buttons and black stripes. Okay, what about your shirt? Coba lihat pakaian yang kamu gunakan saat ini. What does it look like? Silakan dijawab sendiri ya. Alright, now to check your understanding about this lesson, please listen to the audio script and try to give the number.
Lesson 3. It's white with orange stripes. Track 41. Word chest. Page 76. A. Listen and number.
Number 1.
My sweater is white with dots.
Number 2. The zipper is green. Number 3.
My pants are red with stripes.
Number 4. There are a lot of buttons. Number 5.
My coat is patterned.
Number 6.
I have a ribbon.
Nah, gimana, udah ketemu jawabannya? Kita cek bersama-sama ya. The girl, yang pertama, the girl said, my sweater is white with dots. So, which picture is white with dots? It's a sweater. Yang paling atas sudah dijawab ya. The second, the boy said, the zipper is green. Where is the zipper? The zipper is green. This is the zipper. And then next, the girl said, my pants are red with stripes. The red with stripes. And fourth, the boy said, there are a lot of buttons. There are a lot of buttons. Ada nomor 4 buttons yang ada kancing-kancing. The fifth one, the girl said, my coat is patterned. My coat is patterned. Ini dia jawabannya, pattern. Patternnya itu kira-kira apa ya? Polanya itu bentuk seperti kayak binatang gitu ya, kayak animals, with animals. Giraffe, is that giraffe? And then the last, the girl said, I have a ribbon. Ribbon itu yang seperti pita. Itulah jawabannya. Now let's have practice again. I have a question for you. What do you wear when you celebrate birthday party? Please explain the clothes that you'll be used with the detailed descriptions. Write it down and please practice at home. Jadi kita tahu bahwa tadi kita sudah belajar tentang bagaimana cara mendeskripsikan suatu pakaian atau aksesoris dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama tadi, kita harus tahu nama-nama pakaian yang ada di dalam bahasa Inggris. The second one is, kamu harus tahu pola-pola apa yang ada pada pakaian kamu. Dan yang terakhir, practice menggunakan kata look like. So children, I think that's all for today lesson. Don't forget to study at home. Never give up walaupun kita masih belajar dari rumah. Kita berdoa sama-sama supaya corona cepat berlalu sehingga kita bisa kembali bersama-sama belajar di sekolah. Thank you. God bless you and your family. Bye bye. See you next time.